Assalamu alaikum girls. So we were studying about simple machines. We studied about the lever, the inclined plane and the screw. Today we are going to discuss about the wheel and axle. Okay? Wheel and axle. An axle is a rod. So what is the axle? Axle is a rod that goes through a wheel and allows the wheel to move with it. So this is for example, see here, this is the axle here and then there are two wheels. So two wheels and one axle. Here this one is the wheel and this is the axle rod inside. It is a simple machine which rolls easily. It is used for moving heavy loads or to multiply the distance traveled. Cars, cycles and wagons all move with the help of wheel and axle. So whatever the transport is, for example, if it is a cart, if it is a cycle, if it is a motorbike, if it is anything, it's a bus, it's a wagon, anything, it's a car. If it's a car, all these things they move with the help of a simple machine which is known as the wheel and the axle. So the long rod is known as this long rod is known as axle, and then there is a wheel with the axle. So this is how the wheel and axle works. Okay, now the next machine is the pulley. Pulley is a simple machine. What is pulley? Pulley is again a simple machine. And why a simple machine? Because it consists of a rope or string. So if you see here, this is the rope or string in the pulley and wound around a grooved wheel. So what do you mean by groove? So this is a pulley. Here there are grooves, like there are lines where the string is going to attach itself, the rope is going to attach itself, and we are going to use the rope to put to do what, to pull objects down or sideways. We can pull the object sideways also and down also, and flagpoles also use the pulley, cloth lines also use pulley, cloth lines, curtain rods, all these things they have what, this simple machine pulley. Window blinds and cranes also have pulley. If you see the crane, there is a pulley attached with the crane, and then they can move heavy loads up also and sideways also. We use pulley a lot of times in our daily life. So if you see this example, see here, there is pulley here, there is pulley attached, and this is the load, and we are going to pull this load with the help of this like uh, control. Here we control the rope with this, and then we can pull the load down and we can push it up also. Understand? See, this is how the pulley works in daily life. You can pull this up also, and you can pull, if you are standing there, so you can pull this sideways also. Okay, now comes the wedge. What is the wedge? A wedge consists of two inclined planes. If you see two inclined planes joined back to back, it means this is one inclined plane, this is one inclined plane, and they are joined together. Okay, used to cut or split things apart. Knives, forks, nails, pins, or your teeth. You know nails. What is a nail? Nail means, nail is like this. Have you seen a nail? This is the shape of the nail. So this is an inclined plane, and again wedge is two inclined planes which are which see, two inclined planes which are attached to each other. Okay, needles, saws and axes all are example of wedges with which we work in our daily life. If you see here, see, if this is an inclined plane and this is also an inclined plane, this and this both are inclined planes, and we use inclined planes to cut things, to split things. For example, teeth also, they are also example of wedges. Knives, forks, nails and pins, needles, saws and axes are all are examples of wedges. Next is the compound machine. See, now when two or more simple machines are put together, they make a compound machine. For example, a wheelbarrow. See, now we studied about the wheel and axle. So, this is the wheel and axle, one machine. Second machine, inclined plane. See, this is the inclined plane, second machine. And the third plane is the lever. So, a wheelbarrow is made up of several simple machines. So, the wheelbarrow is known as a compound machine. The wheelbarrow is known as a compound machine. So, when two or more simple machines are together, they make up a compound machine. Understand?